Looking for a world-class business school? A business school with modern infrastructure. A business school that renders global exposure. A business school that instills holistic development. Your search ends here at IMS Ghaziabad.
At IMS, over the last 20 years, we have produced leaders that have not only proven themselves in India, but have earned respect for Indian brain across the globe.
Amongst the three campuses of IMS, Campus 1, located at Lal Kuan, Ghaziabad, offers full-time and part-time courses in management, tourism, and information technology. It also offers a 3-year master's degree in computer applications. All these courses are approved by AICTE, and the MCA program is affiliated to Mahamaya Technical University, Noida.
Welcome to the IMS Group of Institutions. IMS is one of the leading business schools in National Capital Region of Delhi, which is known for its academic excellence.
Campus 2, located at Dasna, Ghaziabad, offers bachelor's degrees in technology in the streams of computer science engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, biotechnology and information technology. M.Tech degrees in biotechnology and electronics and communication engineering are also offered from this campus, along with MCA and MBA programs.
IMS Group of Institutions has established IMS Engineering College in the year 2002, and within a very short span of 7 years, we are among the 25 private engineering colleges of India.
IMS Campus 3, located at Dasna, Ghaziabad, offers degree courses in the streams of management, computer applications, journalism and mass communication, biosciences, and microbiology.
Every year at IMS Ghaziabad, we graduate about 2,000 students, and I am very proud to say that each of these students has proven themselves to the society and created a legend for IMS.
The faculty at IMS is dedicated and are enthusiastic mentors. They act as leaders in their fields, shape curriculum and academic policy, and also establish and manage centers of new thought and research.
I'm very pleased and satisfied to be associated with IMS Group of Institutions. The kind of faculty that it brings in, the kind of innovation that has been brought about in this institute on an ongoing manner in terms of the faculty, the teaching pedagogy methods, the kind of students that you bring into this institute is really impressive. I wish this institute all the very best.
IMS has achieved ISO 9001-2008 certification from Ministry of Information Technology and accreditation from NAC. IMS is ranked second in Uttar Pradesh and amongst top 5 business schools in Delhi and National Capital Region. IMS promotes, develops and nurtures research and consultancy activities on institutional and individual basis. It follows an interventionist approach to help influence practice through its consulting and research. Internship program is an integral part of IMS academic curriculum. It gives the student a glimpse into the present corporate environment.
I have found IMS students to be specifically trained for corporate intake. They require minimum initiation irrespective of their role and department they are assigned. They have a constant zeal and desire to learn more and more, and their never say die attitude is really praiseworthy. We are very happy and satisfied with their performance here at UFlix.
The placement records at IMS over the past few years are a testimony to the acknowledgement by the corporate of the superior quality of students produced by IMS.
IMS faculty, with the experience they bring with them, obviously is following the methodology which is globally practiced and accepted in management education, which is reflected in the type of output which the institution is giving for engaging with the industry. The industry and academia interaction which this institute has initiated is praiseworthy, and also their placement record, I understand, is especially in the management section, has been one of the best in the country.
IMS believes that international exposure is the key to success in today's economy. IMS strongly believes in multicultural and multilingual development. Therefore, we inculcate different foreign language skills in students. At IMS, we not only provide classroom knowledge to our students, but also help the students to develop their overall personality. IMS recognizes the importance of sports in personality development and encourages the students to participate in indoor as well as outdoor activities. Much emphasis is given on yoga, as IMS believes yoga is the foundation of inclusive growth of personality. IMS has modern infrastructure and technological support to facilitate teaching, learning and personality development of its future managers. The IMS library holds a rich collection of printed as well as electronic resources. IMS has well-furnished lecture rooms with latest audiovisual aids. In order to give students a hands-on practical approach to learning, IMS provides the students with fully equipped state-of-the-art labs. IMS Group of Institution is built up in a green and spacious environment with an exalted ultra-modern hostel with separate wings for boys and girls. The amenities available within the premises give the students a feel of home away from home. Life at campus oozes exuberance, which can easily be figured out by seeing the vibrancy in the campus. The students passed out from this institute are successful in their respective fields, where they have earned respect for themselves. This is an institute where students come in and go out becoming professionals in their respective fields. We do not just provide degrees, rather, we bring out professionals. Come and experience yourself what we can do to your life.